Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create I don't remember her name from Barbie Rock and Reels. I'll have to search it up, but to create her it's actually super not easy, and I did use one Roblox item and I used some VIP items as well. So just removing everything except for the ones I made accessory adjustments to, which is just the crown and the hair as per usual. Hopefully I remember everything used here. I used this hair from the advent, like the Christmas advent calendar 3D8480. Save that because we're going to use it for a lot. Position the Y.43, Z.57, and then grab this in the back toggle with no flowers. Grab this in only bangs in that same color, no adjustments, and I use this in only bangs in that same color. Position the Y.46. Grab this crown in white. This one, position Y.48, Z.4. Rotate the X to 0.53 and scale it to 0.42. Then for the outfit, hold on, let me look at the reference. Grab this, color it this color in glitter. Oh, in silk, sorry. And then grab this skirt in silk and in that color too. Grab the Ella skirt as well here. Sorry, it's in codes. In the long toggle, color it the same first in glitter. And then for the layers, we're going to use this color, but just a little bit darker. I think I used this in silk actually. Turn off bows, forgot to mention that. Then color the last one this color. Then you are going to put this on. In this color in glitter. And then I forgot to do glitter for this one. Hold on. Oh, okay. There. You're supposed to put glitter on the skirt as well. My bad. Then get some boots. Go to the brat section. Grab these boots and color it this pink in glitter. And that's 2 in glitter. Then you are going to add this skirt here. This train in only train. And I used this pattern. And I also added the like greenish blue color. I think I'm just going to add a lighter color to it. Then I'm going to also grab this necklace over here in all white. Then I'm also going to use this one in all white. And then for the guitar, that's like the last piece, I'm going to use this guitar. Turn off the Owens watermark and color the guitar this pattern again. And then I think I did pink for the like stars here. Then I colored it this color and then this color over here, 3D8480. And then I'll do this for the strings, 1480. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.